A very special number.
Miss Worldwide, no time in the sight, the girl make me hold your hand. XPZ, and we are the girl that done. Time in the sight, the girl make me hold your hand. People come to sing the girl that this.
So yeah, shawty, what's happening? Let's get this thing rockin', rockin'. You just bend it on over. I'll get behind and you can get mine.
San Fernando 2017, Miss Vanessa Yvonne Sica.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Vanessa Yvonne Sica, your reigning Muchaning San Fernando 2017. We would like to invite everyone to please watch and support our Mucha at Lakhaning San Fernando 2018. Coronation night will be on May 29, 2018, 5 p.m. in the afternoon at the Brenzy Kiao Convention Center. Let's all find out who will be the next Mucha at Lakhaning San Fernando 2018. Thank you so much.